In today's video, we are going to show you how to change your leverage on PO Prime. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. After that, I want you to hover to the left side area of your dashboard and click the accounts, because here you have two options. The drop-down menu gives you the live account, and you can also choose the demo account if you have created one. Because either of these, you just have to click the gear icon right here and click the change leverage. Alright? After that, you're going to be able to change your leverage on PO Prime without any problem. So whether you're adjusting it for risk management or setting up a new trading strategy, because leverage magnifies both profits and losses. So if the leverage is too high, even small market movements can wipe out your account. So if it's lower, your trades are more stable and less risky. Right now, my account doesn't allow me to change my leverage. It's grayed out because my account is still on pending for verification. But if your account is fully verified, you'd be able to change the leverage here without any problem. You can also do that using your demo account right here. For example, if you have opened a demo account, the options for changing your leverage account using the gear icon is also present. Okay, so basically that's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, do not forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.